How to apply Playmat in Pokémon TCG Pocket. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can apply Playmat in Pokémon TCG Pocket. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First of all, open your app. After you've opened up your app, make sure you're on your account. Then on the bottom, you can simply head over to your panel option. So tap on it and you should be right here. You will need to head over to Decks. Tap on Decks on the bottom left, right besides Guide. Then here you'll need to select My Decks. Select My Decks, and after you've done that, you should see all of your decks available. Tap on the deck in which you want to add the playmat in. After you've tapped on your deck, you can now simply tap on your change option. And there you'll see an option that says deck box and many other accessories. Tap on accessories. After you selected accessories, you can then select playmats on the bottom here on the right side. Select playmats and choose the playmat that you want to add. After you've chosen that, you're basically good to go. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye.